Here, fat boy. Get him.
You cute. You cute. Like, look, you give it to me. They give it to me. It's right there.
But we want to throw the damn remote, the damn toilet.
Dad, get that bird.
Okay.
He's on her and she's back.
So,
Dad, I can't get the bird. The bird. Dad, you get it to me. Dad, you get it to me.
In a minute. Come on, fat boy.
Come on. Dad,
Come on, fat boy.
Dad, put that bird right here.
Fat boy.
Go.
Fat boy.
Hey, come back.
Marquez. Stop scaring him, Marcos, if you're going to get him. Fat boy, come here. Look at your brother. Look at the bird. Look at the bird.
Bring over here. Bring it over here.
Get it, fat boy. Get it. Get it. Let your brother get it. Marcos, let fat boy get it. Get it. Get the bird. Get it.
Come here, bird.
Slow down, Marcos, before you make it fall.
Over here, Marquez. Bird over here. Scared of you, Marquez. They're not chewing.
Teen Titans Go 200th episode.
What on there?
We're looking at the memorable moments they made on the way. We've learned a lot about
Daddy, about to fail.
Yeah, he tried to get out.
soccer, his creepy laugh, his
Oh.
But we also learned that his costume disguised two unusual secrets about him.
He about to grow in there.
Keep hidden. Find out after the show.
Hey, what, you gonna let it go outside?
Come on.
He dead?
No, he ain't dead.
Hey, come back! Come back! Come back!
Open it up, bro.
Daddy, he went over there.
He did.
Yeah.
Did you not get him?
Wondering what happened to this?
Well,
Finally, free from that wretched box. For your kindness, I shall.
Daddy,
What?
I can get him.
You can't get him.
Yeah.
Ooh, shiny.
Where did the bird go?
He on the there.
Yeah, he went way up under there, didn't he?